Nice one. So we're gonna make a vanilla fat-free yogurt smoothie. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to make this one, which is gonna be very simple. First of all, you need some mango. It's a very quick recipe, and that's gonna do this very quickly, not something complicated. It's just a quick recipe. So, mango inside of your smoothie blender. It's a very quick recipe, guys. Very simple recipe, unique. So half of a mango, very ripe mango you need to use, and some pineapple. Remove the skin from the pineapple. Alright. And we're going to get a piece of a watermelon, which is gonna be lovely. Little bit of lime juice. And a pinch of cinnamon powder. And a pinch of apple cider vinegar. Look at that, beautiful one. Then we're gonna put some vanilla fat-free yogurt. I'm going to be using half of it. I'm gonna blend it for about 4 seconds. Beautiful. Once you blend it, all right. Once I blend it, here it is, and that's the way it's going to be looking. Alright, take the time out to say thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas will be coming from me and the team, and I will see you next time with more recipes similar like these. See you next time. Bye bye.